if you're not focused on it, to let your hands drift a little in front. But let's have it be as neutral as possible, in line with your body. And then from here, let's just hold the next position. So the next position is left front, right back. And this is in same time, not split time, so same time. And then 3, 4, 5. Now they're both gonna go up. I think this position is pretty tough. You need a strong core, and it's tough to keep it in same time, in my opinion. So take a moment and bring it back down to here. And here's what we're gonna do, a little drill to help with that position. So you're down here. Now what I want you to do is raise your hands up to like boob height, and then bring it down. Boob height, bring it down. Shoulder height, bring it down. Shoulder height, bring it down. Neck height, hold, 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 and come back down. Neck height, hold, 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 and come back down. Ear height, hold, 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 come back down. Ear height, hold, 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 come back down. Eye height, hold, 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 come back down. Eye height, hold, 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 come back down. And now we're gonna go forehead height, hold, 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 come back down. Forehead height, hold, 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 breathe, come back down. Okay, now we're gonna go for it. Come all the way up, up, hold, 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 and back down. And come up, 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 hold, 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 and down. And come up, and hold, 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 and down. And come up, and hold, 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 and down. And come up, and hold, 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 back down. And up, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. And up, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. And up, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. And I'm doing it incrementally back down as well. And up, and now we'll hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. And now inch it up, and hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, come back down. And up, and hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, inch it down. And up, inch it up, inch it up, inch it up. Now hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, bring it down. And one more time, inch it up. And hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inch it down. That is a great drill to do in all 4 directions. So if, for example, the reason this doesn't come up when you're doing the in-spin flower, or I'm sorry, the same direction flowers, is because only one hand is on top at a time, right? So you're not ever actually like that. However, the drill will still help you have control. For extra credit, because there's always a way to level it up. If we were doing just what we were doing, left over, right under, you could come up, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, then split time, split time, split time, split time, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split time, same, 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 and then come down. just if you're bored. Just if you're bored and you want another challenge because you don't have enough of them. If you're struggling to keep the poi straight. So I'll demonstrate with my left, your right. As I'm coming up, if it starts doing this or this, focus on pulsing the elbow up and down. And that can help you maintain. If you pump your arm, so when the poi comes to the bottom of the turn, you bring your arm down, and then as it's going up from the bottom of the turn across the front, you bring your arm up. That can help give you the momentum to keep it straight. It should go without saying, but it's worth saying anyway. Make sure your core is tight. I feel like these particular drills can cause low back pain. It's easy to soften your belly as opposed to keeping it tight to hold it up there. If you find that you're feeling anything through these muscles here, then that's probably an indicator that you weren't tight enough in your core as you were doing that. That would be my guess. If you don't, that's a good sign. That means you probably had good form.